Getting started with Microsoft Excel. First off, head over to our website and click Get Started. Scroll to Downloads and download the Excel spreadsheet. Next, we'll add our downloaded file to your existing business spreadsheet. Open your business spreadsheet and also open the file we downloaded a moment ago. Drag the VAT Entry Worksheet tab to your existing business spreadsheet and release. You should now see that we've added the VAT Entry Worksheet to your existing business spreadsheet. Next, let's complete our first VAT return. In the VAT Entry Worksheet, select the cell for box 1, press Delete and then Equals, then select the relevant cell in your spreadsheet and press Enter. Repeat this for VAT boxes 2 to 9. Now click Prepare and then Export. We now have a QR code that we can scan with our app. Open the app on your phone and find the VAT obligation you want to import to. Click Import and then Import from QR code. Now, scan the QR code, then tap Import. When you're ready to submit your VAT return, tap Submit and your data will get sent to HMRC. And that's how you submit a VAT return with ooo-vat.